What's up, guys? Welcome to the podcast. Nico here with Pat. First ever, natin. First time guest, Pat. Pero pag-uusapan natin ngayon yung NBA Power Rankings, the Western Conference. Pero Pat,
Sir.
can you share first para tayo nagkakilala, para lang sa mga viewers natin.
Well, I think it was the pandemic, and if you can see that jersey behind
Oo, yan.
Nico,
Yung origin.
I sold him that jersey.
Never,
Tapos,
wala akong balak
yeah, no, I
ibenta
joined I
eh.
joined
Akin
your
lang talaga yun.
breaks. I
Oo.
joined your breaks, 'di ba?
Oo.
Tapos, little did I know, magiging magbarkada tayo like after
Oo.
3, 4 years.
4 years later.
Nagulat na lang ako. Nagulat na lang ako. Pero
Kilala
nagulat
ko to
ako
ah.
yung rise ni Nico sa social media.
Iba
Naging
yung rice ng
analyst,
kaibigan natin. Iba
tapos
yung rice ng kaibigan natin.
yeah,
Ibang rice
naging
yun.
analyst, tapos biglang may mga ano na, motivational speaker na siya. O ganyan.
Motivate.
Na yeah, there. So I think that's where we
Okay.
met, diba? And then we played basketball together, we run together. So
Ayun. Lahat-lahat na. Ito actually, Pat, yung Western Conference Power Rankings, the way we're gonna do it. Guys, na-brief ko na si Pat dito, pero para sa inyo, this is going to be again, Western Conference lang. We're gonna start from 15 to 1. We're gonna start from
mhm.
the bottom para may suspense, 'di ba? Kasi kung simula agad, okay, hindi kayo maano. It's more of by elimination tayo. Tapos you are free to react in the comments. Let us know what you think. Be nice kasi actually mabait naman yung community natin, Pat. Wala namang ano dito. Be
Yeah.
nice to Pat, be
Okay.
nice to me. You can also comment your own power ranking. So we're gonna try to make this as brief as possible. We're not gonna dwell 2 hours on this one, not even an hour. Try to make it below one. So ako muna mag-start off, Pat. Ako muna
Sige,
mag-start
sige.
off.
So
Ganito
wait, are we
gagawin.
gonna be like
May
15
listahan
you,
tayo.
15 me, or
Ano,
15
hindi,
to
tig isa, 15.
Tig isa?
Bibigay ko
Okay, okay,
15
okay.
ko. Bibigay ko
Sige, sige.
15 ko. Bibigay mo 15 mo. So, meron tayong
Okay.
Canva para, madali i-track. So, ginagawa ko to for the past pods. So, wait. I'll put Nico here. Para may, alam ng tao kanino yung power ranking. Dito, Pat. So, ako muna, Pat.
Go, go.
Number 15. Teka lang. I have the list on my phone. Dito siya sa phone ko. Okay. Number 15 ko, I think we're the same. Dapat lang the Utah Jazz. Di ba?
Sa akin. Well,
Di ba? Sige. For me, Utah kasi, I don't know, they're a young team. Ang ganda ng pinakita ni Ace Bailey from
mhm.
yung game kanina against KD. Nakita mo ba yun? Yung sabi niya na,
Yeah,
ano ba, why you talking? Di ba? Kasi bago pa lang naman daw siya eh. And they're in a weird place. They still have Walker Kessler, Laurie Market still with them, Ace Bailey. Hindi ko, in a way, it fits if you think about it. But is this the roster that will bring you to the promised land? Definitely not. Maybe they
definitely
should
not.
try building around Ace Bailey. At least yun yung basis ko sa 15 compared to the
Okay.
next na
Okay.
magulo na, mas magulo pa. 15 mo.
Me naman, I agree with everything that you said. However, I
Oh,
think lalaban sila because
lala,
of one
okay, sige.
guy. I've been following this guy um since last year, of course. I play fantasy din kasi,
Pa tayo, wala pa ba
'di ba?
fantasy natin? Nag-set up pa
Tapos
lang pa tayo, di ba?
yeah, we're gonna set that up pa pala.
Oh,
Keontae George.
okay, believe ka kay Keontae George. Okay, maraming
Laban yung
believe sa kanya.
bata eh. Laban siya. Ang dami niyang mga daggers, and I think mas nag-mature siya ngayon with Ace Bailey there, Laurie, and you mentioned Walker Kessler. So I don't
Oh,
think mag-15 sa. They will not make the playoffs for sure. Pero
for sure. Oh.
15, feeling ko lalaban sila. Ang tingin ko lang na I'm gonna go against a lot of people here, no? Portland.
Portland, fifth. Wait, where do I have Portland? Oh, okay.
Dame,
Magugulat ka
Dame's
Magugulat
Dame's
ka
not
sa
gonna
Portland ko.
play.
Oo.
Dame's not gonna play for sure. Or do you think he will?
No, he's
Medyo?
not gonna play. He's
He's not
old.
gonna play.
He's not gonna play. 1 year
The
is
next,
basically ano lang.
di
Courtesy
ba?
lang yan kasi anak ng Portland yan eh.
'Di ba?
Son of
The
Portland.
next best thing is Anthony Simons.
Nawala na.
Wala na.
Mm.
Tapos Drew Holiday. Drew is Drew, pero I don't think kaya niyang buhatin yung Portland. Tapos
Mm.
lahat role players na eh. I mean, magagaling pa rin yung iba doon. Pero feeling ko sobrang gulo nila right now. It's really a gamble. If
Okay.
may for me kaya
Gets ko
Portland
naman yung
ako diyan.
Portland mo. Gets ko naman yung
Feeling
Portland
ko
mo.
nasira yung chemistry nila nung nawala si Anthony Simons. Whatever they're doing. Tapos DeAndre Ayton nawala din.
Talagang ano, it's a team na ako Jansen Hang eh, 'di ba? Yeah,
Mm.
Hansen Yang Jansen Hang. Hansen Yang. They're really gonna go ano na. Go on the young side. Denny Avdia is still there. Pero I
Yeah,
think si Denny na elevate niya ng laro niya, 'di ba?
true. Pero may mga nababasa ako na
Hmm.
rumors na naghahanap ng trade yung tao eh.
Naghahanap si Denny.
Pero of course, you see on TikTok, you see on ano, it's not ano naman legit, 'di ba? Pero I think may pinanggagalingan yung rumors na yan. But anyway, even if he stays there, I think medyo chaotic pa yung lineup nila.
Okay, next one ko, joke lang. 14 ng Portland. Hindi naman malayo Portland ko.
O,
Same reasons.
grabe,
Niloloko lang kita.
dinefend ko pa ng malala. Sinabi ko pang huge
14,
gamble.
niloloko lang kita.
Dalawa lang pala.
Wala naman talagang ano eh. Listen, okay, so same reason sa Portland. It's more of, you already said it, wala na akong idadagdag dun. Um, I hope the Denny Avdia thing is not true. Kasi ang ganda ng stats niya sa Portland. It helps out his cards in a way. Dami
Mhm.
naghahanap ng mga Denny Avdia. Pero nothing else for me to add pagdating sa Portland. Who's your 14?
My 14 would be it's medyo this is hard. Sige, I'm gonna
Napaisip.
put Utah. I'm gonna put Utah. I'm
Inayos
gonna
mo
put
na, ginawa mo na Utah.
Then I'm gonna put
Okay.
Utah. Pero sige, yung 13 ko, I'll have
Sige,
an
adjust lang.
explanation.
Adjust, oh.
Yeah.
Sige, so sa Utah, bakit 14 na Utah?
Yeah, yun nga.
Same tayo.
I think mas may chemistry na sila. Tapos they have Ace Bailey pa. I mean, talent, more talent.
Yeah,
With
not
a
much to say.
point
Bottom
guard na
dwellers
may
to ng
grit
NBA eh.
talaga. Tapos laban eh. May puso yung Keontae eh.
Mm-mm. So yun yung ano natin.
Eh,
Okay, number 13. Number 13 ko are the Pelicans.
Okay.
Di ba tayo tama, ano naman, di ka nag-react masyado. Pelicans, we already
No.
saw a Williamson na trim down. Meron pang Jordan Poole. Yun na it's the drop-off na, no?
Yeah.
Jordan Poole, uh, Kevon Looney. Not much that you have right now with this Pelican squad, no? Pat, kaya number
Yeah.
13 sila. They really need a... Wait, DeJounte Murray's with them, right?
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah, so I think you had two fine pieces in Zion and DeJounte and a whole lot of nothing. So,
A
13.
healthy Zion. A healthy Zion.
Di ba
Kasi 'di
healthy
ba
na rin si
he's
DeJounte Murray? Kasi ang dami
yeah.
nangyayaring freak accident kay DeJounte Murray.
Pero kasi 'di ba, given na yung DeJounte eh. Given na yun. Pero yung mabigyan ni Zion ng 70 games tapos hanggang playoffs, lakas nila.
Oh, lakas to 12. 12,
Ang
13.
lakas nila.
Sobrang
Ang
daming
lakas nila.
kulang. Madaming kulang. Like Zion alone na, okay, he's healthy and stuff. Like, great for Zion. Great for other things. Pero the whole team, do you
Yeah.
think? I don't think
Think,
they're a contender for at least the play-in.
feeling ko play-in, lalaban sila sa play-in. But
Feel mo kaya. Feel mo
feeling
kaya.
ko magpe-play-in sila. Lalo na if Jordan Poole gets his act together, if Bawi team niya to, sobrang basura siya sa Washington. Pero if ito yung redemption niya,
Feel mo redemption niya to? Or do you think it's gonna be a replicated year na parang trash pa rin siya sa Washington. You feel it's a redemption year.
I think pwede. Magaling naman yung bata to begin with eh.
Iba kasi rin pag you're playing for a team na walang ano no, pupuntahan, parang trip ano ka lang,
Yung
tsaka-tsaka ka lang.
Washington eh, tira lang siya ng tira doon eh. Dito, I think with the first class na point guard like Murray, and you have Zion to lead the front line.
Mm.
I think I think kaya. I think
Okay.
kaya.
Number 13 mo.
My 13 is Sacramento Kings.
Sacramento Kings. Okay,
You know why?
medyo in sync pa rin tayo kahit paano. Medyo naka-jumbled up lang naman eh. Oo.
Yeah, actually, yung West, yung banda dulo niya, halos pare-pareho na lang yan eh.
More of ano na lang personal preference, no?
Yeah, me, um, I think Sacramento, respeto na lang sa kanilang mga,
Respeto na lang sa
respeto na
Zach
lang kasi
Lavine.
look, meron silang, ano ba to? Sino to? Zach
Zach Lavine,
Lavine.
DeMar DeRozan, Sabonis.
'Di ba? Hindi naman sila bano pero I think those players will not compete na for a I mean this team will not compete for a championship. They added Dennis Schroeder though, pero
Oh yeah, well, they're shooter though. Para, okay. FIBA legend,
FIBA
Dennis
legend
Schroeder.
pero he can't I don't dude sobrang puzzle sa akin si Schroeder. Napakagaling niya pero bakit ayaw siya ng NBA?
Same question na every NBA fan. Every basketball fan cannot solve that dilemma na bakit sa NBA. And then again, iba kasi yung ano eh. Court dimensions ng NBA, it's bigger, 'di
'Di
ba?
ba?
FIBA
Sa
smaller,
sa
mas
FIBA
more
GOAT siya
compact.
eh.
Yeah,
GOAT
iba yun eh. Ibang laro ang FIBA naman sa NBA kasi. Even the court
Sabagay.
dimensions
Tapos
different.
when he is signed by a team, parang hinihintay siya magkamali then tatanggalin na siya.
Naghahanap na rin. So, trade nyo na.
Parang gano'n, parang ang galing. Bibigyan kanya ng what? Good games. Biglang pagkapalpak na siya, ibe-bench na siya. Then
Or ito-trade
wala
na.
na.
Dun.
Kawawa na. Actually, naawa ako sa kanya eh.
Ako
Naawa ako.
naawa ko sa ano pa rin niya, yung $48 million blunder. Yung sinabi siya ng
Yeah.
agent. Na, huwag mong tanggapin
Sobra na
yan.
sobra. Sobra.
Kung
Sobra
nasa man
yon.
yung agent na yun, wag ka na maging
Feeling,
agent.
feeling ko, you know what? Nagulat nga ako nag-NBA pa siya eh. I think he can even get more money
May
sa
interest
Europe.
eh. May interest. I mean, iba pa rin ang allure ng NBA, bro. Iba pa rin yung
True, true. Na yung
to say
light,
na
yung
NBA player ka.
fans and yung spotlight ng NBA. Pero feeling ko money-wise, feeling ko kung nag-Europe siya, kaya eh.
So siya pa centerpiece dun, no?
'Di ba?
And I
True,
think
true.
dagdag ko lang sa Sacramento mo. Hindi mo alam ano yung plano nila eh. Hindi sila win now mode ba sila? Rebuild mode? They're in yung in between. You're in
Yeah,
purgatory. Basketball purgatory, as they say. Na
true.
hindi
Kasi,
mo alam anong gagawin.
bakit, for me si Jonas,
Mm.
kailangan nila yun to help sa bonus eh. Hinayaan nila umalis, hindi ko alam bakit.
Hey man, Jonas Valanciunas just made the best decision of his life to go to a contender. Anyway, mamaya tayo
Exactly,
dun. We're
we'll
gonna
talk
get
about
there.
that later. But
We're
yeah,
gonna get there. Number
so there.
12 ko is D. Sacramento Kings. For the same,
See,
ano, it's
pareho
really
lang tayo, bro.
the same thing. Basketball
Medyo
purgatory.
same page yung basketball
If
minds
I
natin.
were a Kings fan, we wish ko na i-trade na lahat. Trade everyone, kahit palugi pa ako. I need some picks. I need some assets, di ba?
Yeah. Give
Parang
up
okay
na.
lang,
Sorry
titiisin ng Kings yan. Give up na kasi ano na eh. Naglolokohan na lang tayo dito.
Yeah.
What are we fighting for? The 10th seed? Oh,
Even sa bonus, let him go. Bago
lahat na
na,
nga.
bago na.
Wala na. Sino na bang piece nila doon na ano, natitira na...
I
There's no...
forgot, sino yung point guard na yun? Na Ellis? Ellis ba?
Keon Ellis?
Keon
Hindi yun.
Ellis.
Hindi yun. Hindi,
Hindi siya
ano yun?
centerpiece, pero feeling ko matitira yan dyan.
Si Keon Ellis is a player you put in a championship team to plug in the holes. 'Di ba? Yun yung mga kailangan
Yeah.
mong players.
Yeah. Oo.
Keon Ellis is I feel like is a plug and play type of player. Mga tipong 10, 12 year NBA vet na, oh, sa NBA pa to. And then you realize, oh, yes, a role talaga. Yun yung mga
Bibigyan ka
players na
niya ng mga
magugulat.
quality 5 to 10 minutes
Oh, mga ganun. Tapos
to hold the
1 to 2
line.
steals a game. Parang ganun. Ganun naman role ni Keon
Tapos
Ellis eh.
isang dagger 3, mga ganyan na
Oh, di ba? Okay lang ba siya
pangdiin.
mapasa? Number 12 mapat.
Okay. Sobrang sakit sa akin ito, pero Phoenix Suns.
Kakalapit na tayo. Okay, Phoenix Suns.
Ah,
Spoiler alert, I have them at 11. So parang ano na rin, lagi ko
okay.
na rin.
Kasi
Same.
Devin Booker fan, I think I thought na he was well, he still is naman for me. Yung next prototype shooting guard. Di
Mm.
ba? Kobe, Jordan, Kobe. Tapos akala ko, pero I don't know. They tried
May
to,
Mark Williams sila do at the five. Pero si Mark Williams laging pilay eh.
saka laging pagod. Parang bilis niya
Si Mark
mapagod.
Williams.
Di ba nga, I play fantasy as well, no? Paglipat
Drinaf mo
niya,
ba siya?
kinuha ko siya. Kinuha ko
Si
siya.
Mark Williams.
Oo, so first game niya, halimaw siya. Wow, wild. Bigla na lang, magulat ka sa mga next games niya, hindi siya, hindi niya tatapusin yung laro.
May
Hindi
fatigue.
ko alam kung may conditioning shit siya. Ay, sorry. Kung may conditioning problem siya. Pero, ay, hindi niya tinatapos, bro. So, I don't know kung naayos nila yan sa off-season. But, for me, you know the line, kulang ang bola. I think kulang ang bola kay Booker.
Kay Booker,
Saka
kay ano
kay
pa lang, kay Jalen Green.
Jalen Green.
Alam mo sino mag-a-adjust dito if ever? D-Book has to become the point guard. Because he
But,
can play make. Jalen Green cannot.
kaya niya. Pero, 2 years na nila na-experiment yung point guard Booker eh.
Tagal na nga. Oo, 2 years na nila
Di ba?
experiment.
Pero,
With KD pa nga yung
with
deal eh.
KD pa yun, ha? With superstar pa yon. Pero
Oo.
tapos may Bradley Beal pa. Although Bradley Beal laging pilay. Pero worst tong
Laging pilay.
tong lineup na to compared to that. So I really don't know. Kung Phoenix fan nga ako, gusto ko 15 na lang sila para maka-pick pa sila. Maka-lottery pa sila eh. But yeah, I think yung Phoenix Suns will not ano na lang yan, ano na lang yan 12 eh. Baka nga 13 ko pa sila dapat eh.
Parang league pass team lang sila. Oy, parang, ay, ang ganda pa rin. Pero like, oh,
Meron silang
lang.
mga route na games, yung mga magtatambakan nila ng 30, for sure meron yan. Pero
Wala.
magugulat,
This year?
yeah, meron yan,
Meron?
may mga tatambakan sila, pero biglang
Sino,
magugulat
Utah?
ka na lang, pag check mo, ano standing nila, 13,
Ay,
14 sila.
13, 14. Ah, pala.
So,
Bigla ka mapapaisip, no? Sino 11 mo?
my 11, um, Memphis.
Memphis. Okay.
Memphis.
Why? Why do you have them out of the play-in?
Well, big factor si Bane.
Mm.
Nagulat ako na binitawan nila si Bane. Although they got KCP.
Yeah, they got KCP. KCP is a
Pero,
good
of course,
addition.
aging KCP, 'di ba? They also let go with ano na. They let Luke Kennard go.
Mm.
Yung yung Huff, okay din yung Huff. Although
J-Huff.
they have 'di ba Gigi Jackson, JJJ, Ja Morant of course.
Injuries, gotta be, concern lang naman ulit, injuries, di ba? Yung mga lagi nawawala yung kalahati
Di
ng
ba may
roster
pilay na
nila.
naman sila na power forward? I forgot his name. But yeah, I think ang gulo ng lineup nila. I think magulo yung lineup nila.
Yeah.
Para maging
May
contender.
interesting stat ako na nakita dito sa Memphis na against below 500 teams last year, they were 36-9. Against teams above 500, they were 12 for 25. Do you think that's gonna happen again? They're gonna win against teams that they're supposed to beat. Pero when it comes to teams na above 500, they're gonna struggle again.
I think yes. I think
The
yes.
fact na 11 nga sila sa'yo, di ba?
Yeah. Kasi hindi mo lang halata pero big factor si Bane sa kanila eh.
Yeah, I like Desmond Bain. Gets ko
Remember
yung
nung
role ni
na-injured si
Desmond
ano
Bain.
or na-injured ba yan or yung dong sa shooting thing ni Morant? Mas
It's a mix
nananalo
of
sila
everything.
di ba mas nananalo sila? I just don't have the stats pero mas nananalo sila nung wala si Morant and si Bane yung nagbubuhat. Compared
Actually,
nung
di ko naman
kaso
sinasabi na
dumating
maging
si Ja,
centerpiece. Yeah.
natatalo na sila. So, and that's just one thing. Second thing yun nga yung health.
Which is a big
Will
factor. Di ba may mga pinapakitang graphics na half ng roster minsan ng Memphis yung wala.
Oo. Mm.
Saan
Laging
nakita na ganun?
laging pilay si Ja. Laging pilay si Triple J.
JJJ. Madami sa buong team nila, lalo na last year. Sana it's different, di ba? Ayaw naman natin ng injuries.
Yeah.
Nawawala yung
Pero
fun.
super fun team to watch.
Yeah, they are a league pass team. They are a team that has a high ceiling,
Yeah.
actually. They could definitely become just an 8th seed or 7th if all things align, no? If all things align.
Super.
They're my 10, so not much. But at
Yeah.
least they're in the play-in. They're gonna fight for a spot for me. Ano lang talaga. Um, Same concerns. It's really they have to stay healthy. Pero yung ganito, if they become healthy, like sabi natin perfect world, kaya na mag-8, 7, 8. Pero play-in pa rin ang 7, 8, di ba?
7-8, play in, play in.
Pero wala na yung
Kaya,
extra game of being in the 10th. 9, 10, di ba? Yun yung you play an extra game.
totoo, totoo.
10 mo.
NOP na yung 10 ko.
No, okay, dyan tayo nagkaano talaga. Wait, sige
Yun
lang
yung
ako.
malayong jump
Ihi lang ako.
natin. Sige,
Okay
sige.
lang eh. Kaya ko naman i-cut to eh.
Hmm.
Game pat.
Okay, hold
Sino
on.
10 mo? Ay, go lang. Who's your
Uh,
10?
okay. The Pelicans.
Pelicans. O nga pala sinabi mo na. Why the very optimistic Pelican? Because of Zion. Nag-start lahat to
Because
kay Zion.
I remember before um DeJounte got injured,
Oo. Okay sila.
mukhang nag-okay na sila. Tapos I was watching them last year, si Hawkins,
Mm.
ga- ang galing. Sila Trey Murphy, nakita mo yung mga preseason games? I think they
Yeah.
got bigger, they got bigger. Tapos itong si Zion got slimmer. So condition version na sila eh. Um excuse me. Um Yun nga lang, 'di ba? Ang key dyan is makakabuti ba si Jordan Poole?
Actually, X factor si Jordan Poole. Si
Siya,
Jordan Poole yung
yeah.
magde-determine kung magpe-play-in
Make
ba
or
sila o
break
hindi.
sila kay Jordan Poole. Make or break sila kay Jordan Poole. Kung tatanggalin niya yung ere niya
Yung
na
Alahoy shot niya,
mga
Alahoy.
alloy shot niya, 'di ba kung makikinig siya kay Murray, if he is gonna let
I think he's
Murray
gonna,
handle that, 'di ba?
kasi vet siya yung vet sa Washington last year eh. Di ba?
Siya
If you
yung
think about it, he's one of the
champion. Siya yung
vets. Siya rin
champion,
yung
'di ba?
champion. Siya yung guy na gano'n eh. So,
Siya yung
dapat
papasok
siguro
sa
naman
locker room na
ayusin
may
niya dito.
singsing, 'di ba? Na
Siya nga, sa Washington. So, wala siya masyadong accountability na ako yung vet eh. So, parang,
wala siyang swag na ganun. So, yun nga, if redemption year niya to, baka mas mataas pa sila sa 10, bro.
mm,
Baka
okay.
kaya yon sa totoo
High ka
lang.
talaga sa Pelicans. High ka talaga sa Pelicans.
Yeah, then nung nakita ko rin kasi si Zion parang first time ko siya nakitang, parang I think, parang siguro sawa na siyang matawag na
At pera bro, pera,
disappointment.
kontrata niya. Kontrata niya kung 20 mil on the line. Ako rin naman, papayat ako ng
Oo,
sobra eh.
exactly.
Babayaran ko lang mga chef
Pero
ko.
ito pala, since high school, ang strength niya has always been his mass.
Yung power niya.
Ibully ka niya. Ngayon, sinacrifice niya yun. Tinanggal niya yun by getting more
Slimmer.
toned or
Mm.
slimmer. Pero he got faster.
Kita mo yung highlights against
Oo.
Brisbane. Sino ba yung kalaban nila nun? Brisbane ba?
Yeah,
I
I
forgot.
think so.
But
Yeah,
it was an NBL
Australia
team,
team. Yeah.
yeah.
He got faster. The hops are still there. So, faster Zion or stronger Zion. But
Yet to
either
see.
way,
Tingnan natin.
yeah, wait and see tayo dyan.
Okay. Number 9 ko, ito na. Medyo I think, Spurs. I have the San Antonio Spurs at 9. Although the Spurs if Wemby stays healthy, again, ito naman, based kay Wemby, if everything, if sabi he plays 60 games, could jump to 5. Mga ganong kalaki yung sa
Yeah.
Spurs. And
Nakita
if
mo yung
everything, clicks for Dylan Harper, sina Stefan Castle, may De'Aaron Fox ka pa, Devin Vassell, loaded sila technically
Si
pa eh. Pero this is the West. Ang hirap,
Keldon Johnson.
Keldon Johnson, ang hirap umarangkada sa West.
Totoo, totoo. Totoo. Um, nakita mo ba yung 7-5 na daw si Wemby?
Oh, yung mga 1 inch na pati si Derek Lively 7-3 na daw, parang ganun, 'di ba? May mga
Oo.
ganun.
Parang pwede pa pala yun.
Hmm. Pwede pa pala. He's young. Gets mo
Yeah,
pa naman mga late
but I
growth
think
spurt.
I think less distractions na yung SAS.
Oo.
Uh better, I mean, their talents got better. They got another player na very talented kay Harper. So I really think tapos si Fox,
Mm.
healthy Fox, bro.
Game changer din si De'Aaron Fox.
Super super wild. I think na what do you call this? May pupuntahan yung SAS this year. May pupuntahan yung SAS this year.
Malaki ceiling din nila, no? There's a
Sobra.
huge
Tapos si
ceiling for
ano,
the Spurs.
um, they got ano, who's this guy from the Celtics?
Sino from the Celtics?
The center, yung 7-1,
Ano pangalan
si
nun?
Luke Cornett.
Cornet? Ah, they got Cornet?
They got
Si Lu-
Cornett. And I think one preseason I saw them playing Wemby and Cornett together. So
Maganda
a,
tingnan yun,
se-
ha? Floor
a
spacing yung dalawang yun.
7-1 guy and a 7-4, 7-5
Laki.
guy. Paano ka titira doon?
Si
'Di
Cornet
ba?
may defense pa yung verticality. Di ba siya yung nagparo nun? Si Luke
Oh, siya
Cornet.
yan, yung,
Yung
yung hahabol siya.
tumatalon sa malayo.
Yeah, ano raw yun eh, no? Part daw
It
ng
works.
training nila yun sa
Natatakpan.
Boston. Kasi,
Oo.
um, kung hindi mo mabablock, just bother the,
Kesa
ano na
yung
lang,
nakatingin ka
yung
lang na
vision
gano'n.
niya. Yep, yep.
Okay.
Yun.
Number 9 mo, Pat.
Haha. This is me not being a hater, okay, but Lakers.
Lakers. Wow! Lakers at
You can
9.
hate
Bakit?
me. I'm sorry.
Wow! Lakers at 9. Okay.
I don't think LeBron is still good, but I don't
Oh.
think he's enough to be the 1-2 punch of Luka.
Hmm.
82 games?
Hindi
We're
na
talking
expect.
about standings, ha? So,
Oh.
I don't think pang 82 games yon. DeAndre Ayton ang although DeAndre Ayton, wait and see. Parang siya yung Jordan Poole ng New Orleans. Kasi yeah, top seeded rookie rin yung center na yon, pero hindi talaga siya nag-show up eh.
Okay, gets by Lakers. Wow, ah. Grabe fall off though. So you feel like for the Lakers to fall tonight, it's because of Ayton not panning out. Sina Jake LaRavia, bale wala lang ulit. Marcus
Yeah,
Smart, oh, afterthought na si Marcus Smart. So it's just gonna be the Luka
Luka.
and LeBron could yung katawan nga niya, father time. Hahabol na yung
Father time,
father time
father.
talaga.
Ay, ano ha? No disrespect. One of the greatest. I mean, one of the best. Pero let's be realistic. Magkakaroon pa rin siya ng spectacular games. However,
Here and there, oo.
yeah, I don't think 82 games. I don't think he'll be able to do that the entire season. I expect a lot of did not place. For sure.
DNPs for LeBron,
Yeah.
rest or old. Di ba may gano'n si Pop dati? DNP,
Yun.
old.
Yeah. Yun ang ano ko. That's
Number
my take
9.
on the
Sige.
Lakers. Yeah, that's my take on the
Okay.
Lakers.
Number 8 ko. I go my 8 na. Dallas Mavericks. Although also having a high ceiling. Dallas Mavericks, ang ganda ng roster nila. Kyrie, wala pa do. Wala pa, no? Because of the ACL.
Yeah.
ACL si Kyrie,
Pero
di ba?
medyo early niya nakuha yun, 'di ba? Like
Yeah, yeah, I got it.
earlier than sila Tatum. So I think aabot 'yan kung magpe-playoff sila.
Yeah, that's why 8. Kasi wala si Kyrie for majority of the year. Pero I'm excited to see AD, Lively, and Cooper Flag. That's a huge three. That's a huge front
Plus
court.
D'Lo.
DeAngelo Russell pa and Klay Thompson.
D'Lo.
That's a very solid starting five. May mga PJ
Nakita mo
Washington
yung
pa.
wing na 'yon? D'Lo can afford to miss.
Kasi ang lalaki ng mga kukuha, eh, no?
May kukuha doon. Isipin mo 'yon. Flag, AD,
Lively. Na
Lively,
7-3 na. Na 7-3 na.
PJ Wash, Gafford.
Gafford. Laki.
So, sa limang yon,
Basta healthy lang sila kasi si
basta
Gafford may
healthy lang sila.
ano rin na naman si Gafford eh.
Balik tayo ron sa, let's say, bumalik na si Kyrie. Tapos biglang mapilay si AD. Tapos,
Tapos so AD is the X factor. Pag
AD is
nawala
the
si
X
AD,
factor.
it brings it tawag dito. It really brings down the whole foundation of what they're trying to build.
You know, this is what I believe in. If hindi napilay si Kyrie, and hindi rin naging liability sa health si AD, there's a chance sila eh. Kaya nila yun eh. Nakita, minamama nila yung ano, OKC. There were games na minamama nila yung
Pero
OKC.
naman bro, yung kalaban naman nila Team C.
Oo
Okay,
naman.
see? Oo.
Yeah. Pero, I think sa laki nilang yon, kung hindi napilay si Kyrie and si AD, may laban. I'm not
Ay
saying tatalunin
laban.
nila yung OKC, pero
Oh, oh,
I,
you're talking about the playoffs. Kala ko yung ano, yung preseason.
hindi yung preseason. Last
I
year.
thought you're talking about the preseason.
Oh,
Kala ko
sorry, sorry.
preseason. Kasabi ko, wait
No,
lang, Team C. Kasi diba sila rin
no.
naglaban ng preseason din eh. Kasabi ko, wait lang.
Pero 'di ba? If hindi napilay sila Kyrie nun, feeling ko may
May
laban sila
laban.
sa may
Abot ng
laban 'yon.
7 siguro.
Mm.
Abot ng 7.
Ah,
Who's your
feeling
8?
ko naman hindi naman ganun ka banwa si yung GM ng Dallas, 'di ba? Kinuha nila si AD
Si
talaga,
Nico
win now.
Harrison.
Win now 'yon. Win now 'yon.
Yeah, yun naman talaga yun eh. Pangit lang yung optics kasi it's Luka. That's the face. Pangit lang yung optics. Sino
Yeah.
8 mo?
My eight would be, yeah, Dallas.
Ah, same tayo.
Same tayo sa Dallas.
Okay, so wala na tayo masyadong just gonna repeat what we
I
said.
think NOP lang talaga tayo medyo malayo.
Okay, here's my 7. Feel ko same tayo. Golden State Warriors. No? Hindi tayo
No.
same? Okay. Ako Warriors fan ako, if hindi halata. But I feel like the addition of Al Horford is not enough. Kasi si Jordan Kuminga, despite being signed, nagtotopak, no? I mean,
Yeah.
he he doesn't want to be there. It took a while
Mm.
for him to get re-signed. And it's pretty clear na walang plans sa kanya sina Coach Steve Kerr. Unless
Yeah.
something, again, we're just fans from the outside. We're just seeing it how we're seeing it. Pero as of right now, di ba, the fact na it took Kuminga this long to resign means he didn't get the answer that he needed. Di ba, Pat? If
Totoo.
he found the answer at the end of the season, the last season, he would have resigned immediately kasi sabihin, hindi, may plano sila para sa akin, di ba? Why, why did it take that long? That's one. And wala na iba talagang ano, dagdag.
Walang takers
Sino,
rin eh.
I mean, sino ba yung isa? Si DeAnthony Melton. Lagi rin napipili si DeAnthony Melton. Di ba, we just got the same guy last time. I think he tore his ACL. Basta may nangyari sa kanya na season,
Mhm.
out for the whole season eh. Steph Curry will be Steph.
Yeah.
And Dre will be Dre. Jimmy Butler's there, but fringe playoff contender. 7. And not much high of a ceiling, Pat. It's, I feel like 6-7 lang yan.
Six
Not like
seven,
yung
6-7.
Dallas na pwede mag-shoot up to 3-4.
Pwede.
Di
Agree.
ba?
Agree.
The Warriors have a low ceiling. High floor, low ceiling. Sila yung Golden State Warriors. Right? High floor,
Yeah.
low ceiling. Yeah.
My seventh would be the San Antonio Spurs.
Dito rin tayo nagkalayo. 7 mo Spurs. Why do you have the Spurs over the
Yeah, I
Mavs?
think
Wemby, another year of Wemby.
third year Wemby
And training with Shaolin monks, Wemby?
and yeah, yeah, and dude, nakita ko kanina training with Hakim. Imagine Wemby with a dream shake.
Damn. Tapos 7,
Hindi nga
7,
niya
9, 7.
kailangan,
Hindi ko
hindi
may
niya
reach eh. So
kailangan.
7, 9. Di, walang makakaabot.
'Di ba? Bakit ka pa magdi-dream shake ng ganun kakaba? Pero imagine kung may ganun siya.
Grabe. Wemby na yan, man.
Plus, yun nga, sobrang sold ako kay De'Aaron Fox.
Mm.
Imagine buong season mo kasama yung tao and wala nang pilay. 'Di ba, when he joined the Spurs, he was playing with an injured finger. I forgot which one.
Mm. Yeah. So the
Harper, Castle, Vassell, Keldon
loaded. They
Johnson.
have a really nice score. Imagine mo, vet na si ano, si De'Aaron Fox, yun na yung one of your
Plus yung
vets sa team.
wala nang distraction ng with nangyari kay Pop, 'di ba?
Ay, oo nga pala.
Nangyari kay Pop
Yeah.
tapos interim head coach. I think now mas
Medyo
focused
clear
na
na
sila.
yung, ito na yung ano
Yeah,
natin.
clear na yung kailangan nilang gawin. So, yeah, I
And
think
tapos na
nandun.
yung rebuild. Ito na yun. You got your piece.
Ito na yun. Tapos na talaga yung rebuild nila. Um, yeah, and feeling ko makikialam pa rin si Pop dyan. Definitely.
From time to time.
Yeah,
Okay. Number 6 ko, Pat. The Clippers.
okay.
LA Clippers, daming distractions throughout the summer. Yung
Yeah,
ano nga,
agree.
yung kay Steve Ballmer. What's the name of the, ano ulit? Ascent,
Yung nag-fraud,
yung fraud, ano ulit
I
pangalan nun?
forgot the name. Yeah, yung sa kanila galing yung sweldo ni.
Yung sa mga ano nila, yung sa mga sa ano nila. Wait lang. Kawhi Leonard fraud.
Aspirations.
Aspiration! Aspiration.
Pangalan pa lang.
Aspiration. Yeah, grabe yung... Napanood mo ba yung investigation na yun? Grabe, I was really hooked. Para siyang rabbit hole, no? Na ang dami mong na-find out na, oh. Pero still,
Di-
their roster is legit. Remove all that stuff. You got Bradley Beal, you got Collins, you got Brook Lopez, you got CP3.
Yeah. Ah, lakas nila.
Diba? Not bad
Tapos
Clippers, bro.
another year, I'm sure
Healthy
nag-improve
Kawhi. Healthy Kawhi na rin.
healthy Kawhi. I'm sure nag-improve lalo si Zubac.
Feel ko that's the best of Zubac na, Pat. I don't think
Tingin
na may
mo?
isa pa. That's the best na. He's a 12 and 12 guy, diba? He's 12 and 10 guy.
Well, imagine if you have a 12 and 12 guy na legit center and then um dumating yung Collins na I'm sure ganado yan with the players na he's playing with now. Feeling ko
Okay.
fe- feeling ko lalaban yan ngayon, lalaban yung Clippers. Actually, sobrang layo ko ng Clippers sa'yo. Spoiler alert.
Oh, sige. I'm surprised where you're gonna put them. Number 6 mo.
Number 6 ko is Golden State.
Ah, okay. Hindi naman tayo nagkakalayo.
You know why? I think yung key ng Golden State, of course, it's
Golden State
Steph.
over San Antonio, ah. Okay ka, ah.
Hindi, you know
Well,
why?
well,
No,
yeah. Ako rin
kasi
naman, Golden State over San Antonio. But yeah.
for me
Pero
kasi yung Golden
oh.
State, it's always been the system.
Mm,
Tingnan mo, si Pojemski,
yeah. Si Brandon, ano.
and then now even yung Spencer.
Si Pat Spencer, okay lang. Come on,
No,
Pat.
no,
Like,
I mean, pareho sila ng mga ginagawa.
so, bale, alam nila rules sila. Parang
Alam
ganun.
nila roles nila, it's the system. So even imagine 6'6"
Mm,
centered Draymond Green gumagana, point center. So yeah, feeling ko it's the system. Talent wise, of course, they're ano nga daw Olden State Warriors na sila eh.
old. Yeah, they are Golden State Warriors.
Yeah, pero I think the system will hindi pa rin don't count them out yet, 'di
Okay.
ba?
Yeah, tama naman.
Plus
Alam
ang
mo
saya
naman ako,
panoorin ni ang saya panoorin ni sino yan? Hield and ni Butler.
di ba meron sila, friendship sila, parang papawis culture na naglolokohan during ano.
Yeah.
Ganun,
Yung
ganun sila.
chemistry nila, I think it's their chemistry that will ano. Plus of
So do
Seth
you agree,
Curry.
low ceiling? You still agree with me na low ceiling? Like, despite all that, ito lang talaga yung...
Oh, yeah. Um, I heard from someone they're signing Kuminga, but there's a trade that's gonna happen. I believe so too.
Dapat lang kasi it's gonna be a cloud. It's like a dark cloud looming over, di ba? Na, or it's an elephant in the room na it's
Imagine alam mo na
awkward.
ayaw sa'yo eh. Alam mo na ayaw sa'yo, ba't ka pa
Or
nandun, di
walang
ba?
plano para sa'yo,
Oh,
which
walang
is...
plano for you.
Parang what is worse, no? Parang ayaw sa'yo or walang plano para sa'yo?
Iniisip ko nga if papakita lang siya for the first half of the season, then para may takers na.
Ah...
They're gonna wait for him to show up and then, alam mo yun, sell high, yung mga ganyan.
Sana. Kasi, pero alam
Di
mo
ba?
kasi ng teams yung ano situation eh. Pero then again, you can definitely sell high if he plays well. So, ako si Steve
Yeah.
Kerr, lalaro, i-shop ko to. Bibigyan ko to
Oh,
ng 30 minutes, papakita ko na, oh, magaling pa tong bata namin ah. This is what he can do.
Tapos ito pala, I think ito yung X factor nila, si Quinton Post.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Pwede. I like Quentin Post.
'Di ba, your basic big man for three.
Ah, yeah,
Pero
basic, floor spacing big. Parang,
yeah,
a low, ano yun? A poor man's version of Brook Lopez. Ano?
mga ganyan.
Parang gano'n si
Pero
Quentin
yun nga,
Post.
if he improved over the summer, I mean, his rebounding, offensive rebounding, putbacks and all, and bigyan siyang minutes, I think yeah, yung 6, 5, 7 nasa ganyang level,
Okay.
makakatulong siya sa team right now. Especially na medyo depleted sila. I would also like to believe na sila Al Horford will mentor them, 'di ba? They're bigs.
Dapat, yeah, actually magandang mold for Quentin Post is to become like a Al Horford, but not everybody gets to become a all-star like Al Horford. So at least
Yeah,
to be at least
definitely.
close to what
Oo,
Big Al
oo.
can do.
I think that's the path
Okay.
of the Warriors.
Akin LA Lakers, number 5. So, ang layo ng Lakers natin. That's 6, 7, 8. That's
Woo!
4 spots.
Masyado kang
Um,
believer, bro. Joke lang.
so, a key stat here na nakita ko na interesting. Luka without LeBron last year, he was a plus 17.2 per 100 possessions. But
Okay.
both are on the floor. It's a negative based on the sample size nakita natin last year. Pero of course, last year was the year na he got traded. But now
Mhm.
with the complete summer, now with the complete training camp, nandiyan na sina Aiton for rim protection, Marcus Smart in the perimeter. Ako naman on the optimistic side na the Lakers can be a fifth seed. If not higher pa nga eh. So very I'm on that side pat pagdating sa Lakers. Ikaw yung pessimistic side ng Lakers. Ito
Medyo,
siguro yung
medyo.
if all things don't work out, they are a 9. Like yes, playoffs, yeah, pero play in. They have to work their way through the West.
True,
5.
true. I agree.
5
I
mo.
agree. My five would be um Minnesota.
Okay, magkakaano-ano na tayo dito. Feel ko yung 1 to 4 na natin yung kasi di
Mm.
ba, yung kaguluhan lang naman is here. Eh. Minnesota Timberwolves at 5. Why do you have Minnesota at 5?
Well, the hype is still there. Um,
Would you say they're a championship contender being at 5? Or may kulang? Like there's a reason they're outside of the top 4.
sobrang kulang. Sobrang kulang. Especially what? Si now, they they let go of Alexander Walker.
Si
Kung kailan
Nikhil.
nag-show up na yung tao, key
Siya nga
shot.
pinakawalan.
Oh my,
Sayang yun,
parang
no?
oh my God, totoo seryoso ba yan? Although si Big Jelly, Nazir Reed,
Big Jelly. Oh,
na,
siya pala si Jelly Fam.
yeah, galing, galing. Tapos si Gobert, but enough ba yung 82 games and playoffs na? Kasi parang kinukulang sila eh. Kinukulang sila sa kapag ka, what do you call this? Nasa-shutdown nila si Ant, tapos na.
Actually, ang questions
And
rin dyan is, Pat, can si Rob Dillingham, can he help out in year 2 to, diba? Year 2
year
of Rob
two,
Dillingham. Can he help out in year 2? Uh, another year of Julius Randle, will he continue to get better? Not better, but more of the chemistry with the guys on the floor. Kasi ako, I'm a big Cat fan. For me,
same.
they needed... Cat is a way better fit than Julius Randle. I still
Oo.
will live and die on that hill na Cat ako.
Actually, nung una, iniisip ko talaga ba't nila binitawan si Kat. I guess figured out
Contract
na,
ba? Pera ba? Contract
feeling
issues,
ko
hindi
pera
nila
yon.
bayaran.
Hindi
Oo.
mo yata kaya na magkakasama sila, Ant, Kat, Gobert, na
Ubus pera
malalaki
mo eh, no?
ubos yung pera. Feeling ko kaya binitawan si Kat for Ant. Para kasing poor man's version na si Randall eh. He does the same thing, he's just smaller. Tapos siguro maasa na lang sila na si Gobert will do his thing. 'Di ba? But feeling ko kukulangin ulit tong Minnesota. I
Kaya
want them
5.
to win. Fan ako ni sino to ni Ant-Man. Pero
Mm.
hindi ko talaga nakikita na lulusot sila pag ano na
So
eh.
hanggang semis lang sila for you. Western semis lang din. Bye-bye. Wala na.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Makes sense naman. Four ko, Minnesota.
Forma Minnesota.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah, I have Minnesota at four. Yeah, very clear naman. Sino yung ano natin. Who did I miss? May hindi ko pa ako na-include? Wait lang. Tama naman.
Ito na,
You,
ito na.
not,
Ito na. I think dito tayo mag
yung Clippers mo, wala pa. Kaya ako naguguluhan.
Yeah.
Kaya teka lang,
Yeah.
sobrang natuturo off ako napatingin pa ako sa line ko. Teka lang, anong mali? Anyway, Minnesota, same reason sa spot. It's just one spot.
Mm.
Wala namang ano. Kung two ang Minnesota, dapat may masasabi ako doon. Pero these teams here are just gonna be separated by a few wins, lalo na sa West.
Yeah. But you know what talaga, yung nung nawala si Kat, that was really shocking for me.
That closed the window for me, the championship window. Nasabi ko,
Yeah.
bakit ka?
For me, nung
Pwede.
nawala si Kat, hindi
I
ko na
rather
get.
trade Gobert first nga than cut eh.
Ako, go bear ako
Walang
dun eh.
takers ata, Pat. Wala tang
Feeling
takers.
ko, hindi, pero feeling ko nga, feeling ko lang naman to, they thought na the defense will always be there kay Gobert. Kung
Oh.
mawawala yung big man natin, hanap na lang tayo mas similar. Di ba si Kat offensive-minded? Ganun naman
Offensive-minded.
si,
Pero
ganun si
7 foot pa rin
Julius.
yun eh.
Oo. Pero yun nga lang, um, parang utak guard si ano eh.
Puta guard si Julius Randle.
Si Randall eh. Parang kinukuha niya yung, kinukuha niya yung bola sa top pa lang, na dapat yun ang ginagawa
Tapos get
ni
out of his
Ant-Man.
way. Tapos get out of his
Oo.
way.
Biglang ano niya. It
Sabi,
will work from time to time, but
sa regular
when,
season.
pagka nag-funnel na kayo sa stronger teams, physically, mentally, lahat, naka-ready na sa'yo, I don't know kung gagana pa yun.
Number 4.
Okay, the Houston Rockets.
Oh! 4! Bro,
Bro,
okay, okay.
FVV out.
Hindi naman ganun kalaking factor sa kasi. Okay,
Pero,
then again, iba tayo ng ano eh, intindi ng
believer
spectrum.
kasi
Okay.
ako, importante, old school, sige.
Point
Importante
guard,
ang
you really
point guard.
gusto mo ng veteranong point guard.
Sa kasi dati of course may KD na, tapos mas magaling na
Si
sila
Amen, Sengun,
Amen. Tapos may um what do you call this? Um sila
Reed
Reed
Shepherd,
Shepherd.
bro.
Pero gagawa
Unproven
siya.
sa'yo. Unproven.
Unproven siya. Pero definitely taon niya to. I would get him sa fantasy definitely. But
Late round.
kung you're gonna make a playoff run or a championship run, FVV yun eh.
Tama ka naman.
FVV yun eh. Yun lang, yun lang. Yun lang kaya ko siya binaba. Yun ang pinag-isipan ko talaga kanina.
Ako,
Binaba ko siya dahil kay FVV.
I'll say my reasons later kasi obviously that's your reason
Kevin
for.
Durant, ito pa, Kevin Durant. Sure ba tayo hindi mapipila yan? Sure ba tayo hindi 'di ba?
Tama naman.
Magaling siya talaga, pero yung health,
Ano ang
para
galing kung hindi ka makalaro?
akala ko nga alam mo, pwede ko pa sila ilagay sa 2 kung hindi napilay si FVV eh.
You'll be shocked where I put them.
Bilib talaga ako dahil, pero parang na-shock talaga. Oh my God, talaga. Sabi kong gano'n. I felt sad for Houston.
Mm, or,
Although, buti na lang ang light at the end of the tunnel, maaga nangyari.
yeah.
May
Oh,
chance pa yun
aabot pa yun si FVV
kung
sa tingin mo?
papalag sila ngayon, makikita naman ng teams yan eh. Kung papalag sila ngayon for a championship, kaya yan kaya niya mag-playoffs.
Pero I don't think they're gonna rush him ng ganun. You're
Kailangan
gonna
nila
throw him
i-rush,
into the
no?
fire. Kung ganun, kung you're going
Tanda
for a
na ni
chip, no?
KD. Ang tanda
Actually,
na
yeah.
ni KD.
Hindi na
Feeling ko
pwede yung ano.
unang na bad trip dyan. Feeling ko nagdabog sa bahay si KD nung nalaman niya.
Si FBB na ACL.
Di ba?
Okay. Number 3 ko. The Denver Nuggets. I have them at 3. So even though na may Jonas Valanciunas na, may Cam Johnson ka, and then again, even though you're a 3, championship contender na yan. For
Yeah.
me, contender na, even though they're a 3, put them at 2 or 1, medyo same na yung tingin ko sa kanila. This is the tier 1 It's a tier 1.
Minsan yung mga yan, 1, 2, 3 na yan, naglalaro na yan
Same
ng
na yan.
season eh.
Naglaro na lang yan. So parang, 'di
Nagpapa-3
ba?
sila para ito kalaban nila, di ba?
If you're Denver, you're going up against the Clippers. Kasi the Warriors are always a dangerous squad in
Yeah.
the first round. 'Di ba? Last year was 2 versus 7. Diba? Tanggal ang Houston, 'di ba?
Yeah.
So, but then Denver again another year of Jokic. Cam Johnson looks like a better fit than the Rock ends here, Porter Jr. And the addition of Jonas Valanciunas can really make them formidable once again in a team na seseryosohin mo. Unlike yung last year na ano 'di ba, parang they're really not gonna make it. It was all Jokic, Murray. And of course another year of Jamal Murray.
Yeah.
Three mo, Pat.
3 ko, well, ito na yon, Clippers.
Oh, layo ng Clippers, oh. Yan ang layo.
No, because when I
Third
saw the
seed.
lineup, okay, Collins, tapos Bradley Beal, alam mo si Beal, super well rested yan from last year.
Super well rested nga.
Parang nagbakasyon yan.
And he got
So,
paid.
so he got paid, and I think kasama niya, he's with players na win now.
Lahat win now.
Harden is win now, Kawhi is win now. Patapos na yung mga yan. Beal should be win now mentality. Tapos meron kang Collins na dapat lang happier ka. Nasa ganyang roster ka
You're
na
in
right
ano
now.
na, you're in a championship contender from ano, 'di ba? From a bottom
So,
dweller na Utah Jazz, hindi
yeah.
mo maintindihan eh.
Tapos Chris Paul can hold the line sa second unit. I think
His legs will hold na, no? You don't expect him to play a lot of minutes na kasi.
I
Give
think
him
so.
like
Pero
15
wait,
to
what's the roster
18.
ba right now? Can we check can you search there yung
Search natin, LA Clippers roster.
2025-2026?
Saan yun eh? Basketball reference.
Ayan, tingnan natin. Ah,
Not bad ah. May Chris
Brook
Dunn pa sila
Lopez.
oh. Mga DJJ pa. Bogdan pa. Dude, what a deep team.
Di ba?
DJJ, Bogdan.
Yeah, yun ang nakalimutan natin. Si
Si Bogdan.
Bogdanovic.
Malaking ano si Bogdan ha. Tapos may Nicholas Batum ka pa na ano 'di ba? Mga
Yeah,
5 to 8 minutes na lang pero alam mo pa rin yung kaya niya gawin eh.
super.
They
Wait,
have
sino tong
5
Cam Christie? Ito ba yung...
kapatid ni Max.
Okay, si Max yung nasa Dallas, right?
Oo, si Max. Si mas
Okay,
magaling.
okay. Si, I think si Max, no?
Si Max yung mas magaling. Malayo. Malayo si
Yeah.
Max. Malayo si Max kay Cam.
Yeah,
Magkamukha daw
so,
sila daw. Mukha silang, I think are they
yeah.
twins? Magkamukhang kamukha
Look,
sila eh.
papasan twins.
Oo.
Pero tingnan mo to. Super deep. Imagine,
Very deep.
I think si Brook Lopez ang backup center dito.
Who do you think is gonna start?
Definitely.
You think John Collins is gonna start? Ay, no, no. Sorry. Zubac pala. Diyan pala si
Zubac will
Zubac.
start, John Collins, and then Kawhi, and then Harden, and then Bradley Beal.
Sorry. Bradley.
I think yan yan.
Ipapapoint mo si Harden. Harden can
Oo.
can play the point
Harden
naman
will
eh.
definitely the point. Nakikita ko lang dito, pag nabawasan tong pag may napilay dito sa Lopez at Zubac, ang late nila.
Actually, si John Collins na next ano
Oo.
mo. Tapos si na
Sino to?
Patrick Baldwin na liit eh.
Sino to si Yannick? Is he good?
Hindi ko
Yannick
kilala
Bonan.
yan. No clue bro. Like I
Siya
have
na yung
no clue if
next at
he's good.
6'10". So I really don't know. But yeah, I think yung first five nila, ano yan? Will
Dude, even
will,
the next 6-7 loaded.
'di ba?
Kalimutan ka natin
But
si Bogdanovic eh.
pero yun nga lang, they're very old then. They're very old then. Si Bradley Beal is what? 1993.
31. Bata pa. Pero yun nga, tuhod rin
Prime
naman
niya yan,
issue ni
prime
Brad.
niya.
Well, prime. He's been injured.
Prime,
Let's not
true.
forget na his knees are shot. Even though he's
Yeah,
healthy, you'll never know na just one wrong turn can, 'di ba?
very, very true. Minsan nakakatuwa yung mga injury nila eh.
Ano nakakatawa yung kung ano na
Yung
lang na
mga
may
thumb, pinky, toe.
kay Jared McCain nga, 'di ba? Torn
Ayun, yung mga
UCL.
'Di
So,
ba?
may ganun pala. Parang picture injury yun ah. So,
Yeah, so that's my number three.
okay. Number 3 ko is... Wait, I have number 3 na. Diba? Number 2 ko,
Yeah. Okay.
the Houston Rockets. I'm a believer of... ako na may optimistic side ng Rockets. Wait lang, replyan ko lang to. Anyway, yeah, Houston Rockets, ako na may sa optimistic side na despite walang FVV, Şengün and Amen Thompson
Yeah.
will, are that good na kaya
I
na nila buhatin yun.
I agree. Yun lang. Feeling ko lang may mga games na for the win pero wala silang top tier point guard to command na pwedeng yun ang magpatalo sa kanila.
Yeah nga,
That's
gets
my
ko yun. Very
ano.
clear. Na wala silang clear point guard.
Alam mo,
Diba?
may mga games siya last year na dying seconds kay FVV ang bola.
Oo nga, tapos siya titira.
'Di ba? Tapos yung mga tira niya, yung mga malayo niyang tira na,
Yun nga, yung parang, ano yung parang sinashot put niya. Diba, yung gano'n siya
oh,
tira.
yeah, yung tira
Tapos
niya yung
parang
galing dito,
4-point
'di ba?
line. Oo, dito ga. Boom!
'Di ba? Pero
Pero, pumapasok
nothing
minsan.
but the bottom of the net, 'di ba? Galing.
Pero, FVV though, is a guy that field goal percentage of 38%, 30, that's low. It's a low
Yeah.
percentage. Pero, he has the balls to, ano,
Ano siya?
to shoot it.
Um, guard era siya eh.
Ano?
Tumitira din talaga eh.
Yeah, ganun
Well, ito
talaga.
na
He's a,
lang.
pero he can play make din.
Pwede akong mali. Pwede akong mali. As pag pag nabigyan nila ng oras and then nag-show up si Reed Shepherd, I think I'll be very wrong dun sa ko.
At tatas card si Reed. Okay. Number 2 mo, Pat.
Ay, meron akong isa.
Mm.
All right, my number two. Okay, before I say my number two, yung one and two ko ganyan na yan.
Mm. Sa
Ano
ako rin
yung
1 to 3
14
ko
and
eh.
15,
1 to
ganito
3
na
ko
yung one
yung
and two ko.
ano. Oh.
Um, Den
Sorry, ano?
Denver.
Denver Nuggets. Ah, okay. Well, ito na.
Denver.
The Denver Nuggets. Ikaw big signing ka kay
And I
ano, no?
also
Kay
think,
JV.
you know why? Kasi throwback na to nung championship team nila eh.
Mm.
They got si Cam, yung trabaho ni KCP,
Oo. Si Cam Johnson. Like,
yun
believe
ang
ka
gagawin
talaga
ni
dun.
Cam. Spot up shooter yung 'di ba? Yung kick out three.
Si Cam
That that's
Johnson nga
that's
yun.
what Cam is gonna do. Bruce Brown is back. Bruce Brown is back. And
Mm.
then si Jonas can hold the line dun sa mga non-Jokic minutes.
Yeah. Makes sense. Ako, at 3
Aaron
kasi ko,
Gordon still gonna be there.
sana
Aaron
healthy lang si
Gordon.
Aaron Gordon. I just hope
Yeah,
he's
si
healthy,
Cam
diba?
Johnson talaga and si Jonas. Plus, nakita mo ba sa preseason si ano? Si Brown?
Kamusta siya sa preseason?
Bro,
Back like he never
he
left.
got he
Alam,
got
kilala kasi
bigger.
siya ni
He, he,
Mike
he,
Malone eh.
yeah, he got bigger too. He got bigger then.
So parang mas
Stockier na
umuna
siya.
pa.
Yeah, so I think nga, okay, mahirap mag back to back.
Oo, syempre, mahirap back to back.
Si Jokic with this kind of team, kaya nila kunin yung West. For me,
Kaya na lang mag-call yung way. Okay, okay.
kaya. Operative word is kaya.
Kaya nila. Kaya nila. Pero again, they're number 2. There's a reason we're number 2. And I think number 1, Pat, super clear. OKC Thunder.
OKC. Yeah.
Diba? Not much has changed for OKC. They're just gonna get better. The kids are
They're
all
just
right. We don't need
Plus yung
much to
chemistry nila,
defend
bro.
them.
They're having
Mm.
fun. They're having fun.
Very rare
They
for a
are
young team, no? Na
they are having fun.
they already know what it takes na they've been through the fire.
Yeah.
And everybody meshes. Alam, may hierarchy sila. Walang
Totoo.
gusto, alam, clear kay J-Dub na I'm number two. That's our number one, si Shea.
Yeah.
Chet knows his role as well. And a clear number three.
Tapos alam mo, whenever you look at the Thunder, akala mo, ano yan, ang nipis nila. Ang
Oo,
nipis
kala
nila.
mo nipis lang, oo.
Si ano lang, si Chet lang yan, si Chet. Biglang makakalimutan mo, may Hartenstein pala. Si
Si Hart,
Hartenstein,
iHeart. That's a key signing, si iHeart.
bro, kukunin niya yung offensive boards and then putbacks niya and then magugulat ka na lang sa mga dunks niya na key siya eh. Hindi siya for stats lang eh.
Mm.
He's gonna give you what, less than 10 points or maybe less than 15 points pero
He gives you
crucial yung
everything
basket.
else.
Yeah.
May mga secondary, tertiary playmaker siya. 'Di ba? Solid si iHeart.
Yung mga gagawin niya minsan things that you don't see on the stat sheet.
Mm.
But yeah, I think sila pa rin ang team to beat
Yeah,
pero
very clear, very clear.
I think Denver is ready to take it back.
I won't be shocked if that happens.
Kasi
Kasi ano
kita mo
eh.
last year pagod na
Oo.
pagod si Jokic ah.
Oo nga, pagod na pagod nga talaga si Jokic.
Pagod na
Kailangan mo ng
pagod si
J-Ball.
Di ba? Pero now with J-Val, imagine pag nasa loob si J-Val saka si Jokic or si J-Val magpapahinga kay Jokic. Imagine ganun yung lineup na yun. Ang hindi lang ako, sino bang point guard backup ng ano? Sino ang guards ng what do you call this?
Sina Quezon Wallace, ganun pa rin sa OKC Thunder, Alex
Hindi, sa
Caruso.
Denver,
Denver, Jamal Murray.
the
Search natin.
backups.
Search natin. Kaya tayo may ganito eh. Denver Nuggets. Bakit may 2026? How do you... The players. Wait, why is
Ano
it
na ba
like
yun?
this? Ba't ganun?
Oo nga eh.
Pwede
2025.
bang 2025 yung gusto ko makita? Ayoko, wala akong paki sa
Ayun.
1975.
Hindi ko alam
Eh,
sino yung mga.
eh.
Ayun.
Wait,
Christian
Russell
Brown.
Westbrook is still there? Didn't he leave?
Wala na yata yan eh.
Ay, hindi, ito yung luma. Wait lang. Yan. Yung pinakita sa akin to kanina.
Ayun. Dude,
No.
yung Moses Brown,
Moses
magaling
Brown
siya
is
sa
the
2,
medyo wild card si Moses Brown. Kasi
magaling
ano
sa
naman yung
2K yan
backup
eh.
big. Oh, magaling siya sa That's the
Magaling
point.
sa 2,
Magaling sa 2K.
sa 2K yan eh.
So the guard
Ayun.
lineup is may Peyton Watson pa pero parang 3 na nga si Peyton Watson eh.
Bro, the ultimate utility guy, Bruce Brown.
Yes sir, Bruce
Bruce
Brown.
Brown. Yun lang, bro.
Christian Brown.
Yeah, even Bruce Brown. Nandun nung nag-champion, di ba?
Oo.
Tapos saan siya lumipat? Saan siya lumipat
So
na
sana siya
team?
parang nag-ano siya eh. He
No,
just got
after
paid.
after nung championship niya, nalipat siya sa isang team. Tapos sobrang banu nila dun sa team na yon. And then I forgot who. Basta may nag-trash talk sa kanya na sabi, ano to, Jokic is not here to save you now.
Yeah, Toronto. Ito to. Gano siya. Indiana, Toronto,
Indiana,
Pelicans.
yung Indiana niya, sinabihan siya na, I forgot sino, pero
May
sinabihan siya
nag-trash talk.
na Jokic is not here to help you or save you now. Something like that. Totoo
Wala
naman.
si Bruce Brown.
Pero
Totoo nga
tingnan mo,
naman.
wag lang mapilay si Jamal Murray. Wala, bro.
Butas agad ang ano nila, guard spot nila.
Wait. Tim Hardaway Jr. is a shooting guard.
Yeah, but he's
Pero,
not that guy.
sino point
He's
guard?
very inconsistent.
Jalen Pickett ba? Is he a point guard?
Ay, pero wala yan.
Two-way na
Talagang
iba ba? So,
two-way na yung iba.
yan ang ano pala. Wag lang mapilay si ano, Jamal
Jamal,
Murray.
or else all hell breaks loose kung ganun.
This is crazy pero tingnan mo Nico, sa ganitong klaseng roster, do you think may mga minutes na magbababa ng bola si Jokic?
Meron magkakataon sigurong
Tingnan
si
mo,
Jokic yung
wala siyang point guard, bro.
siya yung magsa-start ng offense sila.
'Di ba?
Sa high post niya kukunin or minsan minsan bihira pa babasa kanya pero kukunin niya agad sa high post. Tapos siya na mag-aano.
Siya magdidirect. Pero tingnan mo,
Mm.
ngayon ko lang napansin, no? Ang taas nilagay ko sa, may wala silang point guard pagka
Kailan nila address sa
wala
free
si
agency yan?
feeling ko,
Kailangan i-address yan. Sabihin natin mag-fall sila to 5-6 seed which could happen.
kukuha sila ng point guard.
Hanap sila point
Kukuha
guard.
sila,
Trade for a point
kukuha
guard.
sila point guard agad. Yeah. So there, I think
Ayun.
that's my 1 to
That's our
15.
1 to 15. Guys, let us know who it's a long episode pero masaya. Let us know what you think. Comment down below what your power rankings would look like. We're gonna record another one.
Be, be nice to me. This is my first time.
Oo, magre-record pa kami isa ni Pat. For the Eastern Conference naman. But yeah, let us know.
East
Hope you
is
guys
easier.
enjoyed. Nico here with Pat. Follow 5-star rating on Spotify. Like, comment, subscribe on YouTube. See you all next time.
Thank you.